or rather, I can't talk this morning, whether you keep a close eye on the stock market or just ignore it, its daily fluctuations are going to affect your investment, sometimes drastically. So we're working for you this morning, tracking today's stock market and how it's affecting us here in Arkansas. So joining us this morning is Chris Harkins, Senior Vice President at Delta Trust Investments. We're so glad you're with us this morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks for waking up early. All right, now, Chris, the stock market going up and down. We keep hearing about it, especially about this market crisis going on in Europe. How is that going to affect us, all of this negative news?
Yeah, right now we're obviously bombarded with a lot of really negative news coming out of Europe, and we have some issues here in the United States as far as the unemployment rate and the economy. So right now there's a tremendous amount of news. Unfortunately, it's predominantly negative. So I'm getting a lot of calls from clients and just people in general asking, how does this affect me and my investments?
Yeah, it'd be interesting to see what happens with the euro, but we've talked about some negatives. Let's talk about some positives. What do you see as major positive signs in today's market?
Okay, so there are some good news. What's being missed in all this negative environment is the fact that, the first thing is, oil prices are down quite a bit. So about 2 months ago, I don't know if you remember, but people were calling for $5 a gallon gas at the pumps. Well, right now we're talking about $3. That is a significant situation because most of us obviously fill our tanks every day. So the cost of that is going down, and the cost for heating and cooling our house is obviously going down. Plus companies, a large expense is our gasoline prices. So I think that'll eventually trickle into the economy if oil prices stay low. So that's a significant positive development.
That's going to help us out a lot here in Arkansas. What can you tell us about other industries in the state?
Well, obviously another good thing that's happening right now is the incredible find in natural gas. That is a big deal. There are many analysts out there that feel that within 10 years that the United States could be independent of foreign oil and gas. So this natural gas boom in Arkansas and around the country as well is significant. So I think that could really help going forward as some trucking fleets will start converting potentially to natural gas. The price of diesel is $4, the price of natural gas is $2. So as soon as we get more pumps out there offering natural gas, I think it could be a significant windfall for not only the country, but specifically a heavy trucking state like Arkansas. Okay,
so let me get this straight. You're saying that our outlook is actually positive. Our local economy is looking good here in Arkansas? Good news.
Yeah, I think it is. I mean, we have two huge retailers, obviously Walmart and Dillard's. They're doing very well. Their stocks are sitting at 52-week highs, are very close to it. J.B. Hunt, a huge player up in Lowell, that stock is trading near its 52-week high. So regardless of what you're hearing out there in the news, you're seeing some of our local stocks and our local economy is doing quite well.
All right, Chris, thank you so much. If you are interested in getting in touch with him, if you have some questions that you would like to have answered, his contact information up on the screen right there. Chris Harkins with Delta Trust Investments. We appreciate you being here.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Thank you very much. All right, we are headed off to a break now. After that break, you can win a grill prize package from the Home Depot. It's worth $400. Watch to win as our week of Father's Day giveaways continues. Plus, Tom will have a check of your weekend forecast on today's THV this morning at 6:20.